I'm Iceriver, CEO of Iceriver Europe. We are providing you hosting and selling services for Iceriver machines since our foundations 2023. Since then, we are offering you the most profitable Caspa miners in the world. We started with case 0 till case 1, 2, 3, 5 and 5M at this moment, and we will move to Alpha miners as well. We are European brand, European company, and we offer you services with European standards. That means with a certification of conformity with 7 years warranty for all ASIC miners inside hosting. Outside of the hosting, it's 1 year for the companies or 2 years for the end users. We have many hosting locations in Europe, in Norway, in Czech Republic. We also have a location in Finland, in United States, in Paraguay, in Dubai. It's up to you to choose one the most appropriate for you, the one which you believe the most, and where are the prices of electricity the most appealing for you. What we provide on top of the other services, we also provide warranty repairs, warranty services and after warranty services with official service for Iceriver machines. We are located in Czech Republic, in Europe, in the city center of Prague, and here we are processing majority of the orders for European clients. If you are from Asia or closer to Hong Kong, we will use our forwarding center in Hong Kong. So if you're from Japan, you will receive your packages from Hong Kong. And if you are from the United States, we also have company and we also have one location in Austin, Texas. So you are most likely to receive your packages from there. The most asked question of all our customers is how much do they pay taxes? It's simple. If you have any miner for hosting, we can manage it the way that you do not have to pay taxes at all. No duty import tax, no value added tax, and it's everything legally. It's basically based on the fact that we are going to host your machine to the location where you are tax-free or where you are not eligible or forced to pay taxes. So if you're from Europe, we are going to host your miner in the United States. If you are from the United States, we are going to host your miner either in Dubai or, for example, in Norway. That way, you are not going to pay any additional taxes compared to the situation as if you had a miner at your home location. Welcome, let's go with me. I will show you a little bit around in our offices in Prague. All the orders are processed within 24 hours and usually delivered to you within 2 days, depending to 7 days, depending of your location. Closer you are to Czech Republic or to Hong Kong or to United States, Texas, the sooner you are going to receive your package. Basically, if you buy a miner, you would receive it in 2 days or 3 days, or you can pick it up personally in Czech Republic. Super simple, super easy. All the machines which we are going to ship to you are already tested and pass quality assurance and quality checking. If you order 5 miners, you are going to pay shipping for about 3 to 4 miners. It is because all the miners are shipped individually and you are going to receive 5 different tracking numbers, most likely. Sometimes we manage to squeeze it to 3 tracking numbers, 3 packages, but expect to receive as many packages, as many miners you have ordered. Regarding custom clearances and duties which you are supposed to pay, if you're from Europe, you are not going to pay anything because we already declare all the goods, so you are not going to pay any custom fees. Regarding the VAT, if you're from Europe and you are the VAT payer, you are also not going to pay any VAT at all. If you're from anywhere elsewhere from the world, you are also not going to pay any VAT or custom duties if you are business companies. If you end user and you are receiving your package at home, you are going to pay it depending on the value of the package. If you want to pay less, just write a message what value of the package you want to have on your receipt. For all the machines for hosting, we will manage it the way that you are not going to pay any more taxes on top of it and any more duties. That's what we can do for you, and we will do it legally. All the machines are repaired usually within 24 hours. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Also for warranty or outside of the warranty repairs. If you're interested how much it costs, non-warranty repair is usually $100, but be sure that the price will be assessed to you before you are going to start any repairs. So the diagnostic is free of charge for you. If you want to repair your ASIC, just create the ticket on our website, repair ticket. Simple as it is. Our sales department will process your order within 24 hours and issue invoice which is valid to all the countries in the world. In Europe, in the United States, in Japan, in Korea, and also in Asia. It is valid invoice which you can use as an expenditure in your company. And it is also valid for all the ASIC miners which you are about to receive at your home location, or also for all the ASIC miners for hosting, where you have invoice for servers, computing servers, and also you would receive invoices for energy as maintenance service fee, general maintenance service fee. So it's all tax deductible. You can pay with wire transfer from anywhere in the world to our multi-currency account which we have in Europe and also in the United States, where you are not going to pay anything for currency exchanges, or also we are not going to pay any special fees for that. You can also pay by cryptocurrencies. You can choose Bitcoin, Caspar, or any other cryptocurrencies using our payment gateway Changely, which is super reliable and is able to solve any issues which you can possibly encounter. You can also pay in cash here in Czech Republic or by credit card for premium support and also for the accessories for the ASIC miners. For example, for that box which is reducing sound reduction box, anti-ASIC box, or for PSU or any special devices, hashboards, fans, or anything what you can cross around. We are providing you professional consulting services and also premium support services in your native language, where you can ask anything swiftly and we are able to solve in 15 minutes 99% of all the problems of our clients. And for you, when it is a warranty question, it is covered and you will be refunded for any expenses that you had. From 2024, we also offer AI servers for hosting and also for sale. It is similar like mining from the perspective of the income. You have application, you are receiving money, but you are not mining cryptocurrencies, but you are offering your AI server for other clients, which we will find, we will rent it to them, and we will give you 90% of all the revenues. These machines, which we are building, are going to beat all the custom miners, maybe in the future. We are going to move them by helicopter closer to hydropower plants, and we will connect them via Starlink connections. That's how it will be working. We have mining locations and AI servers location hosting worldwide in Finland, in Norway, in Texas, in States, in Paraguay, in Dubai, and soon we will expand also elsewhere. We are not hosting your miners and AI servers in unstable countries like Ethiopia or Kazakhstan. There we will not be anywhere in the future, because the security of your property and the machines of our customers is our top priority. For all the machines which you are hosting with us, you are paying only electricity fee and first installation fee, and that's all. You are not going to pay anything from the share of the mining, any fees, any additional payments, any warranty repairs, any service fee. You simply pay only electricity price per kilowatt, and inside this fee is everything included. And it starts from 6 cents per kilowatt up to about 9 cents per kilowatt, depending on the location and of the time. But that's what you can expect also in the future. We have long-time contracts with our partners, which we have multiple, and we have guaranteed that the prices should not go over 10 cents anytime and anywhere in the future. The locations, the mining locations and the hosting locations are basically for you to choose from. The majority of the miners, or basically we can say all the miners, before shipping them to you, to customers, are tested in our testing laboratory, where we test them for 6 hours continuously at least, with a little bit higher temperatures. The machines we are not suitable for full-time 24 hours per day operation in 2 years are selected and are sent back to factory or are repaired and after that sent to you. We are also doing pretty much similar thing for all the miners inside the hosting location. We can run the miners with uptime of 99%. Basically, we are announcing that we will run at 96% uptime. In reality, we have 99% uptime of all the ASIC miners. Feel welcome to visit us on our website, our social profiles, follow us, subscribe, like us, and you can meet us in Europe, here in Prague, and also in biggest Bitcoin conferences in the world. For example, BTC Prague, or also there is the one in Dubai coming now, and the future one will be in Texas. So we will be there, and hopefully we will meet you there, and we can discuss anything about the mining, Kaspa, new miners, hosting centers, hosting locations, and in 2025, most likely we are going to discuss everything about AI servers and anything else. So see you there, Michael from IceRiver. Bye.